Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into real-world fixes for your gadgets. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's been bugging a lot of HP laptop users: the slow blinking power light. If you've got an HP laptop from 2025 or later models, this could be signaling something important, and we're here to break it down step by step. First off, let's understand what that slow blink means. Generally, a slow blinking power light on your HP laptop indicates that it's in sleep mode or possibly dealing with a low battery. But in some cases, especially with newer 2025 models, it might point to deeper issues like overheating, a faulty battery, or even software glitches. Don't panic though, most of these are easy to fix. Start by checking your battery level. Plug in your charger and see if the blinking stops. If it does, great. Just let it charge for a bit. But if the problem persists, try waking your laptop by pressing a key or the power button. Still no luck? It's time to restart. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then turn it back on. Now, for more advanced troubleshooting, open up the HP Support Assistant app. It's pre-installed on most HP devices. Run a quick diagnostic scan to check for hardware problems. If that doesn't help, update your drivers and BIOS through the HP website. Head to their support page, enter your laptop's model number, and download the latest updates. In rare cases, this blinking could mean a hardware failure, like a dying battery or overheating components. Make sure your vents are clean and your laptop isn't on a soft surface blocking airflow. If nothing works, it's best to contact HP support or visit a certified technician. Remember, staying on top of these issues can extend your laptop's life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.